Okay guys, here's a little hip hinge patterning drill that you can do. All you need is a PVC pipe. With your bottom hand, you'll face the palm outwards. Put it on your sacrum. Top hand's going to face towards the head. You have 3 points of contact. PVC pipe will hit your sacrum, between your shoulder blades and the top of your head. From here, you're going to shift your weight posterior and hinge as far as you can without losing that point of contact. You'll do anywhere from 10 to 15 reps of this, trying to get lower and lower. Great exercise to pattern the hinge.